NCERT Maths Class 6. Try these problems, page number 13. A bus started its journey and reached different places with a speed of 60 km per hour, which means time taken by the bus to reach 60 kilometers is equal to 1 hour. Okay. The journey is shown below. It was shown in the next page of the problem. That was in page number 14. Here we have given below. There are places and the distance between two places is given. Okay. For each and every pair of places the distance is given. Okay. Now let us go to the problems. Find the total distance covered by the bus from A to D. The bus does not have any direct route from A to D. It starts from A, then it reaches B, then it reaches C, then it reaches D. So we have to write down distance covered by the bus from A to B, then B to C, then C to D. Write the corresponding values, then add them all. You will get total distance. Okay, from A to D. That is 9,740 kilometers here. Then the next problem is find the total distance covered by the bus from D to G. From the figure we know that there is no direct route from D to G. So as we saw in the previous problem, let us write down the values for distance between D and E, distance between E and F, distance between F and G. Add them all together, you will get the total distance traveled from D to G. It is 15,520 kilometers here. Next, find the total distance covered by the bus if it starts from A and returns back to A. Answer is distance covered by the bus from A to B, then to C, then to D, then to E, then to F, then to G, then to A should be written. Then add them all together. You will get the total distance. Okay, see, you have started from A, you have ended with A only. So we have found the total distance covered by the bus which started from A and returned back to A. That is 26,550 kilometers the bus was travelled in total. Next problem is find out the time taken by the bus to reach A to B. What is the distance between A to B? It is 4,170 kilometers. But we know that time taken by the bus to reach 60 kilometers is 1 hour. Then time taken by the bus to reach 1 kilometer is 1 by 60 hour. Using this concept of unitary method, we find the distance between the time taken by bus to reach A to B. Okay, so time taken by the bus to reach 4,170 kilometers is equal to 4,170 divided by 60, which is equal to 69.5 hours. Then from C to D, the time is distance is 2,160 and the speed is 60. So the time is 2160 divided by 60 is equal to 36 hours. The time taken by the bus to travel from E to G, E to F and F to G should be considered. You have to add the distance between E to F and F to G, add them together. The total distance is 7,380 kilometers. So we know that time taken by the bus to reach 1 hour is to reach 60 kilometers is 1 hour. So to reach 1 kilometer is 1 by 60. To reach 7,380 kilometers is 7,380 divided by 60. I remind you, this method is called unitary method. Okay, you had seen already in your previous classes. So while dividing, you get 123 hours. Okay, then the total journey means you have to start from A and you have to end with A only. So the total distance divided by 60. Why 60? This is the speed of the bus. 26,550 kilometers divided by 60 is equal to 60 kilometer per hour is equal to 442.5 hours. Okay, that's all.